Maximus Analysis here for October 12th, 2016, and we can see we have indecision day. Really didn't pop up much at all. Again, it came up to the we had FOMC today, so again, everybody is of course thinking that you're going to get a buy the dip. People have become excessively lazy when it comes to FOMC reports. They just figure it that they're talking and we're going to make money because they have to continue up. You just trade the price action and have your bias prior to the meeting, but don't say because of the meeting I have it to go up. There's a big difference in regards to that. But in either case, again, they got up to 2139.5. It was another level that we posted, and the one below that we're watching is 2128, I believe. So we'll continue to look at that. Again, you can see that there's, we'll go to a 65-minute intraday chart. You can see they got up to 2139.5, and they're coming to retest this level again. So we'll see. Again, we don't want any, the bulls don't want any break below any of these lows at all. Again, and we'll see what happens here. We don't want them to open up below 2120. Okay, so we'll continue to watch that. Again, this is the breakout from last year. Again, you let me know if you need some something in regards to that. You can see it right back here, all the way back, and we're testing here. Again, this is the weekly chart, so you can see that it's again, it's still open. So again, we'll continue to watch. But again, looking at the daily, we can see that still things haven't popped up. Again, I don't know, every red candle, people want it to be an instant blue candle or green candle, excuse me. Again, taking out these lows here from the early September brings us back to at least the 200-day moving average, which is 2065. And breaking below that, the only level I have below that is actually this 2040 area, and again the Brexit lows. So we'll continue to watch that accordingly to see where the buy. Again, this is a retracement. We'll keep it as such. And again, look at the TV pundits. They were very bullish all through here. NQ, same deal. This is the daily. Coming back down, we're going to see if they're going to test this breakout level that we have here. Again, we make sure that we're looking at big picture versus just one day. And again, I really want to let people know, again, I wanted you to again, you can see from the newsletter, I had no problem missing this trade if it had bounced back up. So again, it's just most people are not going to put their stops here. I guarantee you there's a ton of breakout traders right here. They haven't even gotten one-to-one. Look at this. If you use this and say, okay, where was your one-to-one? The risk reward wasn't there, even on this bipolar type of candle. I guarantee if you took half of that, it basically you didn't even get to halfway, and it dipped right back in. So those same people are getting their stop runs now, and then they'll get a bigger stop run above the break even the breakout level. Unfortunately, a lot of people trade that. Quiet day on the YM. Again, we can see on the daily time frame. I wanted to give you on the weekly so you can see the significance of this sideways chop move whenever it got up to that level, except for the Brexit is gone, and we want to see if they're retesting it. Again, a break back below under this 7,500. Matter of fact, let's not get ahead of ourselves. The 17,900 is what we need to see broken, and then we'll reassess things there. CL, a little bit long in the tooth here. Again, it's tapping this level. We have EIA Thursday due to the Monday holiday. Again, the levels are here. Watch them. You have gold hovering around. Again, still looking very good. We are continuing to look at these levels to see what's going to happen. But again, want to see how this one closes out this week, but still look very good. Again, they had nice capitulation type of volume here, and you guys know that I'm still bullish that. UUP, I would suggest taking some profits. Again, broken above this level. I think I had 25.10, 21, 25.35, and there was another level that I had again as a target, and it's going. So again, what I suggest if you're looking at the daily is, again, you can take some profit going into strength. I had a good gentleman that I was actually having a conversation, helped him with some levels on the dollar, and it's actually profitable. He got in very, very good levels, and it's just not a matter of, it's just a matter of saying, you know, the trade is done well, get back down, you know, manage the trade, take off some of your winnings so you can lock in profits. So any dip back, you don't get super nervous, because but it's still giving yourself enough room that if it does come back down, let's say the $25 mark, you haven't given up 32 cents, and now you're basically very upset. So that's the way that you, again, we had targets for where he entered. So again, he got in 2 to 1, 3 to 1 already, but now is the time to just say, okay, manage what you currently have, but don't keep it all on, because there will be more trades. Everybody's afraid of missing out on the trade when there are always more trades. Again, so congratulations as well to him. We'll continue to watch different names. Again, you see that we have the British pound is popping a little bit. Again, we'll continue to watch. Again, everybody's bearish now, and after so many days, which I think we are at our 5 to 8 days down, I'm expecting a little bit of pop. Yeah, we're at 9 days down. So we'll continue to watch here. Again, now it's on everybody's radar. It's kind of like, again, this is why I tell people, everybody starts seeing it in the news. I bet you it's going to have a little pop up, at least, if not bottom. But I'm not sure about bottom. We'll know when we get a higher low, maybe above these levels, or maybe, you know, kind of reassessing things. But what I would say is take profits now, because now it's getting on everybody's radar. You know, before, you know, they weren't really looking at it. And that's kind of like the way that they bait people in. So we'll continue to watch. The big picture here again is the ES and what we're going to do overnight, and see if there's going to be a continuation of more downside potential. So they're back below the breakout level, and we want to see if there's, because I guarantee you there's a ton of stops underneath here, and that could accelerate the move down. But we'll continue to watch, and take care.